Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this. It's a cow tag, and they were posted on Facebook and said it was cutting out multiple times. Right off the bat, you can't really see anything. It's just a curve on one layer. So since it's a curve, you can select it all and go to Object and break the curve apart. Look right here, 8 objects. There's only 2, or should be only 2. This circle and those parts, but the parts aren't together, but some of the parts are doubled up. So, a couple of things, and the easiest thing and probably the best way to fix it is the Smart Fill tool. Take the Smart Fill tool, fill it with whatever color you want. Take the Smart Fill away, left click, right click, make sure it's a hairline, because a lot of times people feel and other things in hairlines if you're going to cut this out. And now if we look at it with the pick tool, there's a curve on one layer. Let's break the curve apart. 2 objects, the circle and the outside border. So that's the easiest way to fix it and the best way. I'm just going to look at it one more time with the shape tool. So whenever you use the shape tool, select on your item and then grab your shape tool. It's got a couple of nodes it doesn't need. Like you could probably delete that right there and you get a little bit better cut. If it doesn't change the shape, you could delete those 2. You probably can't delete that one because it is going to change the shape. Other than that, it's good to go. It's good to cut out. Everything's a hairline, so you're good to go. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.